Paraparadiddles. Sounds pretty rock and roll to me. Let's make a fill out of them. Okay, a lot just happened in a very short space of time. So, paraparadiddles are paradiddles, so right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, but you're doing an extra single stroke in front of it. So you end up with right, left, right, left, right, right. And if you do the whole thing, you do right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. But we're only bothering with the right hand led stuff. So we're going to play right, left, right, left, right, right. Your first two rights are going to be on the floor tom. Right, left, and bring the rights over for the snare drum. So right, right. So you end up with right, left, right, right. Then we're going to do something a bit sneaky. We're going to steal a normal left hand led paradiddle. What do I mean? We're going to go left, right, left, left, basically. So you're going to go up with the left, left, right, left, left. Stick them together. You'll have right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Stay with me. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And after that, it's pretty smooth sailing because we're doing single strokes. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you've just done your left hand paradiddle. Left, right, left, left. Then you're going to do right, left, till the snare drum, then snare, high, floor, floor. Right, left, right, right. Stick that all together, it sounds like this. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. You'll get it. I believe in you. The reason we're doing single strokes at the end is because it sets you up perfectly to hit a crash with your right hand. Because this is what we want. We want to make life easy for you. So you've got paradiddle, paradiddle. Blah, 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 blah. That's the technical term for single strokes, of course. So with a little bit of context, 1, 2, 3. It's pretty cool, really good for technique, so I highly recommend it. If you're not at a drum kit right now, you can still save this video and come back to it. I know you'll forget about it for like 3 months, but I can deal with that.